Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Just thought I'd make a video on Ethereum because Ethereum is rejecting slightly as the altcoins pump harder. So I just want to see what is going on with Ethereum. Now, you can see this base here. I mean, if you look at this, it looks to be forming some sort of a head and shoulders, just as a larger pattern. Now you can see obviously the shoulder, the large head, you know. So if Ethereum could come back and create a shallow shoulder here, that wouldn't be a bad thing. I don't mean to say it'll come into March. It can just be a small thing coming into a new year. At the moment, Ethereum is bearish mostly. I don't really expect too much bullishness from Ethereum in the near term, but in the longer term, I do think Ethereum is very bullish, and I do think it'll go a lot higher. Look at this for a candle here. Look at this for a reversal. It is implying dips here are buys, and especially if we hold this strength into January, it is implying that dips. I hope you can all see that. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit here, but it is implying that dips here on Ethereum are buys for a continued push higher, and more than likely at this point, it is going to push to new all-time highs. I don't really have a target on it yet. So I just paused the video there. I'm just in a trade. I'm in a short trade on RSR here. So just keeping an eye on it. Keep just watching it. Just a scalp trade, short trade. Yeah, so Ethereum, overall, it looks very strong. It looks like it's going to, you could say that this is a larger box, right? You could say that this here is a larger box that wants to break out to the upside. And this is a very large consolidation pattern. When you get large consolidation patterns like this, if it breaks out successfully, you could continue to run for a few quarters to the upside. So although Ethereum in the near term is not looking great because we've already had its move, it's already had the huge move up. And at the moment, if I go to a monthly chart here, well, you can see that Ethereum, this monthly candle, it's like the second largest. Is this the largest monthly candle in history? How do we do back there? I mean, this could be the largest candle in history for Ethereum on a monthly basis. But you can see right now here, prices failed to break and hold above this previous monthly high. Okay, so there is a little bit of bearish pressure on Ethereum right now. And we cannot really think we're bullish on Ethereum until price gets above this white line. Now, of course, we'll keep an eye on it and possibly try and find the bottom in Ethereum. But for now, it is bearish and now it is dipping. As we talked about earlier, there's the possibility that this is some sort of a larger pattern that can end up propelling the price. It's okay if Ethereum does nothing, until a new year. That's okay. Let it dip and let it do its thing, while money kind of flows out of Bitcoin and into the altcoin market and allows the altcoins to pump. And the same as Ethereum, maybe some money is coming out of Ethereum into the altcoin market. So that is most of the view on Ethereum at the moment. I just want to get this short video out there. If you want some help trading the altcoin market, come on and check us out. We have a group of fantastic members. We are putting trades out there with lots of good buy and sell alerts every day. We have powerful tools to help you read the market. Lots of very good education. I've been trading for 17 years and I share all my education for members and stuff like that. One of the tools you can see here, I'll give you a sneak peek on one of the tools that we have. This is called the sentiment tool. The sentiment tool told me that, as you can see here, we're on this large base on RSR, for example. You can see it's all green, basically. It's all green, but you can see that the strength was weakening, weakening. It started to get red. I seen this pump in here, and we were starting to flip red. I shorted up in here because the tool told me to, this is our sentiment tool. Very, very powerful tool. And you can see, even from there, there's a 4% dump right in there. So only a little scalp. Now this is a very small time frames here. This is it's actually a 30-second chart, but you can see even right here, just for the record, when they all start flipping green here, you can get long on it there, and you can see, there's a 34% pump there. And the dump here protected you. They started to flip red. You started getting warnings here, and it started to dump, and then it got you back in here if you wanted to trade in and out of that. So that's just a sneak peek of our sentiment tool there. On my other screen, XRP is dumping right now. The market is dumping, and you can see that this. I've got alarms going off here, so you can see now my short. Live on the video, you can see that it is dropping very, very nicely. So that is good to see. But that is the power of our sentiment tool, guys. It is absolutely fantastic. This is telling you the sentiment in the entire market, and is telling you it's getting weak. And once you start to flip red, you can see that there's no bulls left in the market, and the bears take over. So I'm going to finish this video quickly. My alerts are going off. My alarms are going off. My alerts are going off. My trade is going off. So I'll just finish up quickly. Ethereum looks fantastic, going into a new year. As long as the strength holds up into the end of the year, there's no reason why Ethereum can't go higher. It really should go higher. Bitcoin, even if we look here, right? If we look here, you can see what happened here the last time, right? We had the strength. We had the bear market. We pushed right back up close to the highs. And then what happened next year? We absolutely exploded higher. We're in a similar position here right now. If I move you over here, you can see that we have pushed up. We had the bear market. We're pushed back up into the previous highs. There's no reason now why Ethereum next year can't absolutely explode out of this and power higher. But currently, we are slightly bearish. Longer term, still very bullish. And if you want some help trading the altcoin market, trading the Bitcoin market, come on and check us out, and we have a group of fantastic members on there. So that's it, guys. I'm going to go check on my trade, but thanks for watching, and I will see you in the live trading room.